my beautiful friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Anna and today I'm going to show you what I call my Herby potato salad. This is a healthier version of a classic potato salad. I love a good classic potato salad and I actually have a video for that here on the channel already that I posted last year, so I'm going to link it in case you want to check it out. But this is a bit of a healthier version. It's super herby, has tons of fresh herbs. It makes it so light, and 4th of July is just around the corner, so if you want a potato salad that's a little bit healthier, you might want to give this one a try because it's absolutely fantastic. Let me show you what you're gonna need so we can get started. These are some russet potatoes that I peeled and cut into chunks. As you can see, you want some medium-sized chunks, not too small, not too big. I have them in water so they don't oxidize. You're also going to need extra virgin olive oil. I have some lemon juice. You're also going to need a little bit of mayonnaise. As you can see, it's a very small amount. Some garlic, red wine vinegar, some salt and pepper. You're gonna need tons of herbs. So here I have some dill, parsley, basil, and a green onion. You're also going to need some salt and pepper, and in here I have a pot with some water. So I'm actually going to turn that on medium heat, and I'm going to add all of my potatoes to the cold water. Now, when it comes to the herbs, you can add as much or as little as you like, and you can add whichever ones you like. I'm actually using green onion today, but I love to add some chives. When I went to the store, I didn't buy it because I thought I had some, and then when I checked in the fridge, I only had green onion, but that's all right because it's still gonna be delicious. Okay, so to your potato water, you're gonna add plenty of salt. To the same bowl, I just rinsed it and dried it real quick. There's no need to get a separate bowl for this. I'm going to add pretty much the rest of my ingredients. Now, like I was saying, you could add as much or as little mayonnaise as you like because this does have some decent amount of extra virgin olive oil. So if you're not a huge fan of mayonnaise, you can add less, you can omit it altogether, but I do find that I do need a little bit of mayonnaise. It makes it so creamy and so delicious. I actually made this on Memorial Day. I went over to my boyfriend's mom's house for Memorial Day. It was kind of like a last minute dinner situation, and I was gonna make potato salad, but I know she doesn't like dressings that are mayonnaise based. It's not her favorite thing, so I made this potato salad and she loved it because it's really light. It's not drenched in mayonnaise, which I kind of love a traditional potato salad, but this one's just a little bit lighter. So if this is more your style, I suggest you give it a try. Let me add the red wine vinegar to that. I'm also going to add my lemon juice. Now you can add as much or as little lemon juice as you like. So start with half a lemon and then you can add the other half if you find that you need it. I'm going to grate my garlic. This is one of those recipes where grated garlic is the way to go because since we're not gonna cook it, I find that it's best to grate it. So just going to add 1 clove, and trust me, 1 clove is enough because this is gonna get really pungent and it's gonna give you great garlic flavor. My potatoes are almost coming to a boil, so I'm gonna let that cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I want them tender, but I don't want them overly mushy, if you know what I mean. I'm going to work on the herbs. You just wanna give these a nice choppity chop. My herbs are nicely chopped, so I'm going to add them to my bowl. Now we mix it all together. We're gonna wait for the potatoes to be done. My potatoes are ready to go. They are cooked perfectly. They're soft but not mushy. So you wanna drain them, add them into the bowl with the dressing. And now we're just going to combine the whole thing. Beautiful. At this point, I'm going to season them with a little bit of salt, and I'm also going to add a little bit of black pepper. I'm gonna give it a good toss. And as you can see, it's nice and creamy, but it's not completely drenched in mayonnaise. Of course, if you want to add less mayonnaise, by all means go ahead and add less mayonnaise, but this is perfect for me. I'm going to transfer these to a serving bowl or serving plate, and they are ready to be enjoyed. I'm gonna give this a try and see how they came out. I know it's gonna be wonderful. Beautiful, they're nice and creamy, herby, garlicky, absolute perfection. So if you guys enjoy this recipe, make it this 4th of July. You won't regret it. It's so good. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.